Today we are walking around Jalan Scott, which is a predominantly Indian neighborhood in Kuala Lumpur. They're known for having a ton of banana leaf restaurants, which we started the day off at. We had an amazing, there's a rooster right there.
Oh, it looks like he's hot.
Yeah. But yeah, all the restaurants here are known for banana leaf style food. So they give you a big banana leaf and then they dish out an unlimited amount of food for you. And that's how we started the day off. We just went to Visalachi's banana leaf restaurant right there. And now we're just gonna kind of walk around the street and maybe look for dessert and just see what's going on around here. It's still pretty quiet. It's about late morning, so someone's working on a mural here. It looks really cool. There's these little chickens everywhere. Cool. I'm working on another design on the sidewalk. Oh, this is new. So it looks like there's a sweet shop across the street. Do you want to try the sweets?
Yeah, there's one there and then there's one here. We can look.
Alright.
What are you guys looking for?
Sweets?
Oh, sweets?
This one?
Is that good? Looks like they have different barfies. Yeah, you can see they're working on a temple here, maybe repainting it. Looks like they're repainting a lot right now. It looks like there's a temple at the end of this street that we can walk up to. There's one right here too. Yeah, it looks like there's a wedding going on. Oh, convenience stores, and this looks like sculptures and art you can buy, handicrafts.
Oh, no, wedding cards. So you go get wedding cards made. Our cards.
Oh yeah, so these are Indian wedding cards you can have special made. Very elaborate. A nice big soccer field over here. YMCA. we just arrived to the bird park in Kuala Lumpur. We tried going to the eco park, but it was closed. So we read about this and it sounded interesting. Big forested area in the middle of the city. You can already see some birds in there. Now we're just looking for where you buy your tickets.
I like the storks like a garbage can.
Look. Boleh masuk. Apa? Nanti burung ni terlepas.
So we just walked into the main part of the bird park. So you're in like a big aviary with the birds. You can see a white bird up there.
Definitely has a bird smell. Let's go brown on brown head. We can purchase some fish food here.
You can feed the fish.
Got it. Exciting times.
What's the fish food look like?
Cat food.
You like that?
No, they're all over here. They knew. It does smell. I think it was cat food.
Oh, the feathers look so great. The blue and the gold and the green. Really cool. We got some sleeping owls here. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 owls. I almost took my head off. Wow, there's so many of them on the hills here.
Or stork.
These are yellow-billed storks.
Oh,
yeah,
storks.
so these are all storks.
People like storks.
So we're back at our place in Kuala Lumpur. We're on the 26th floor and we rented a little apartment. So I never really showed it to you yet. There's the kitchen, there's like a little dining room table, and then here's the living room, and here's the view. There's another building next door to us, and then we have a little view of Kuala Lumpur. And then down there, there's a pool on the 6th floor, and then there's another pool on the roof, which I'll show you later. And then it also has a separate bedroom with one big bed and then a smaller bed, which I use to put my bag on. And then it's a simple bathroom, a shower, sink, and toilet. But yeah, all in all, this is about $40 a night, and we're staying here for 4 nights. To the pool in our building, and this is what one of the pools looks like on the 6th floor. It's another little pool. Now we're going to the rooftop pool. So we just came to the rooftop of the place we're staying at, and this is the view we have from the top.